We have already discovered 4 directions related to the value architecture, and in this video we will explore the 5th one, direction number 12, called Associate with Competitors or Partners. The underlying idea and theory behind this direction is the following. As a business within an industry, you are part of a value net, which includes your competitors, your customers, your suppliers, and your complementers. This framework was introduced in the mid-90s in the book Co-Opetition by Adam Brandenburger and Barry Nelbuff. The model illustrates the interdependencies between yourself and the 4 other types of players in your industry. Customers, the people or companies who buy your product or service. Suppliers, these provide your organization with the resources you need to produce or sell a product. And keep in mind that suppliers can be outside organizations or your own employees. Competitors. Competitors take a share of your target market by offering a similar product or service. And finally, complementers. These are other players who provide a product or service that can be linked to your own to make both offerings more attractive to your customers. Complementers or supplementers will be discussed in the next direction. In this direction, we will focus on competitors and to a lesser extent, customers and suppliers. Exploring this direction means to investigate possible unheard of partnerships with some of your competitors, without any law infringements, of course. Your clients, your suppliers, new ways of working together. Let's look at 2 examples. In the first example, 3 renowned schools who are usually competitors, at least for some of their programs, NYU, based in New York City, LSE, based in London, and HEC, based in the Paris area, have teamed up together to put in common their resources and their expertise, and have created a common program, the Triumph Global Executive MBA. This program is delivered successively on the 3 campuses. Each school teaches what it is best at and participates to the management of the program. This program, because of how it is delivered, has truly been able to offer a global value proposition, while most EMBAs have more of a regional value proposition and is highly ranked. The second example shows a new way to interact and partner with customers. 𝐒𝐈𝐊𝐄 is a French construction group. Over 10 years ago, it has launched Concertance, a new way to manage projects. Instead of responding to a client's request for proposal, RFP in short, in the usual way, usually an arm's length negotiation, 𝐒𝐈𝐊𝐄 first quotes a maximal possible price based on the initial RFP, and then invites its client to enter into a partnership and participate to a full review of the project specifications. Every time a saving is jointly identified through the discussion and common work, it is shared between SPI and the client. So, as always, you can ask yourself the following questions when exploring this direction. First of all, who are your competitors? What are their strong points? What are their strategic resources? How are these advantages and resources complementary to yours? How can you associate your strengths and neutralize your weak points? Can you change the working relationship between yourself and your suppliers, or yourself and your clients? So this was our 12th direction. In the next video, we will develop the 13th direction, which relates to complementers or supplementers, the other stakeholders of the value net.